Introducing the future of luxury SUVs, the 2025 Genesis GV70 PHEV. With its striking design and innovative technology, this vehicle is setting new standards in the automotive industry. Step inside, and you're greeted with a blend of sophistication and cutting-edge features. The interior of the GV70 PHEV is meticulously crafted, offering premium materials and ample space for both passengers and cargo. One of the standout features of the 2025 GV70 PHEV is its plug-in hybrid electric powertrain. This means you can enjoy the performance and efficiency of an electric vehicle with the added convenience of a gasoline engine for extended range. With its electric motor working in harmony with the gasoline engine, the GV70 PHEV delivers impressive performance while minimizing emissions. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this vehicle offers a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. The 2025 GV70 PHEV is also equipped with an array of advanced technology features to enhance safety, comfort, and convenience. From the intuitive touchscreen display to the latest driver assist systems, every aspect of this vehicle is designed to elevate your driving experience. Outside, the GV70 PHEV commands attention with its bold design and distinctive styling. From its dynamic LED headlights to its sleek profile, every detail reflects the uncompromising craftsmanship and attention to detail that Genesis is known for. Innovation, performance, and luxury come together seamlessly in the 2025 Genesis GV70 PHEV. Experience the future of driving today. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 GV70 PHEV boasts a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid electric powertrain, combining the efficiency of an electric motor with the versatility of a gasoline engine. This means you can enjoy emissions-free driving for your daily commute, while still having the freedom to embark on longer journeys without range anxiety. But don't let its eco-friendly credentials fool you. The GV70 PHEV is also a thrill to drive. With instant torque delivery from the electric motor and a responsive gasoline engine, this SUV offers exhilarating performance and precise handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads, like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content.